Simplify the following. Cube roots of square roots of 512 all raised to power 4. Being able to read this nested expression makes it simpler. How do we begin? The first step is to rewrite all the expression in index form, starting with the innermost one, that is square root of 512. Square root of 512 in index form is 512 raised to power 1 over 2. The cube root is raised to power 1 over 3, then all raised to power 4. Next step is to multiply the powers because this is power of powers. 1 over 2 times 1 over 3 times 4 will give 4 over 6. That is 1 times 1 times 4. 4. 2 times 3, 6. We have 512 raised to power 4 over 6. Next step is to rewrite this in index form, which is 2 raised to power 9. 2 raised to power 9 all raised to power 4 over 6. There are common factors, so we can cancel out. What we are left with is 3 times 2, which is 6. Now, the whole expression becomes 2 raised to power 6. Please do me a favor. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Like and comment. See you again.